Good morning. It's Sunday, August 28th. I'm Jeremy, meteorologist with the Flagstaff National Weather Service, and here's your monsoon outlook to wrap up your weekend. Dry air is moving into the mid-levels from the west. You can see by the yellow on this infrared water vapor satellite imagery that there is plenty of dry air across the middle portion of the atmosphere, with that pushing from west to east. That west to east motion will also give you an indication of the storm motion for any thunderstorms that do form today. There are a few clouds over northern Arizona, but most areas are clear, so we expect temperatures to rise pretty rapidly this morning and a pretty warm afternoon today, especially for areas that stay clear of showers and thunderstorms. Here's our chance of precipitation for today, with scattered showers and thunderstorms along the Mogollon Rim and south into Gila and Yavapai counties, with isolated thunderstorms elsewhere. Now, even though the mid-levels are dry, there's enough low-level moisture and instability for thunderstorms to form today. It just won't be as widespread as it has been the past few weeks. Here's our outlook for today and through much of next week. Scattered thunderstorms and showers today with localized flash flooding possible, and then isolated storms and showers each day as the area continues to dry out. Of course, localized hazards from thunderstorms will still be a risk each afternoon. Lastly, just for comparison's sake, here are a few locations with precipitation totals from June 15th to August 27th for both this year and last year. And last year was a great monsoon season with a lot of rain. This year has also been really great for a lot of locations. But we still have plenty of time this monsoon season to accumulate more, with the monsoon season lasting through September 30th. So stay safe, listen to the warnings, and have a great rest of your weekend.